Okay, so this week on Ginaasks, well, I didn't really ask, more like I was told about bar bending at amob stand at the Southern Manufacturing event.
Educating Gina, forlorn hope, given up, don't know what she's doing. Well, does she really? But this, a pipe bending machine. This one at 3 meters, but it can go to any length that you want really, because it is modular. Now the other side here, you can see, oh, there we go. What a surprise. Gina, I'm supposed to be educating you. Just telling the guys out there, what do you reckon this is?
Well, of course I know what this is. I'm part of the amob now. That is a tube.
Yeah, what's it doing to the tube?
That is,
Just to clarify, there's a massive clue right down here.
It's bending.
You got it. So, pipe bending, but this is an all-electric machine. You know what that means?
No, I'm sure you're going to tell me though.
Well, it's all about educating Gina. So this is electric, which means it is a lot more accurate in terms of bending the bar, the tube, whatever it is, because if you start this end, you've got loads of bends, you could lose tolerance at the other end. So this is a lot more accurate. But on the wall behind us, you've got hydraulics. Now this, all right, might not be quite as accurate, but that is some big tube there. Guess how diameter of that tube there?
I guess maybe 42 centimetres.
Right, how do you know that?
Part of the amob now.
Right, well, Gina has actually learned something. She's spot on, 42 centimetres. This one here, 52 mil, absolutely fantastic, super accurate, electric, and then hydraulic. That's the amob stand, brilliant.
Are you going to let me take some more selfies now? You're... Oh, is it me again? Oh, yes, so that Ginaasks was all about bar bending at amob.